Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a OBS tutorial on how to add game capture. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd really appreciate it. And then I switched to my other OBS, so I'm not messing with the one that I'm currently using, so you guys can see everything that I'm doing. So what you want to do is just go ahead and press Add Source, and then from here it's going to be a game capture, and then it first will default to any full screen application, but I like to do capture specific window, and then in this window tab, that's where you choose the game you want it to capture, and it will appear on your screen sort of like a display. And then yeah, now you're streaming your game, and it's only going to get captured by your OBS. Let's say like you tabbed out and your game capture was on top, it only capture your game and instead of anything else, so you could look at something else on your computer while it just only records or streams your game. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.